Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Well, today I decided to head over to my local Home Depot to see what they've brought out for fall and Halloween. And I thought what better than to share it with my friends here on YouTube so we both or all of us can see together what is available. Let me begin with their setup of pumpkins. They're so unique. They have an abundant amount of pumpkins. They have orange ones, white ones, these grayish blue ones. They have big ones, small ones, unique ones. They're just absolutely beautiful. So let's look at them together, and they just put a smile on my face. I love fall, one of my favorite times of year. Now look at these beautiful, gorgeous, vibrant mums. They have small vases, they have large vases, they have decorative vases. They have them in pretty much any color you can imagine. If you're on a budget, they have ones that will fit your budget, or if you want something elaborate and grand, they have those too. Absolutely beautiful. This was the perfect day to come because they're just in full bloom, gorgeous, vibrant. Again, putting another smile on my face, and I hope it does the same for you as well. Now we've reached one of my favorite parts for coming to the Home Depot during this time of year. Check out these witches, these goblins, these skeletons. Let me tell you, they're very lifelike. They can be pretty scary. In the background, you can probably hear little ones crying, but for some reason they were drawn to come back. But check these out. These are definitely very lifelike, and if you want to invest a few coins, I can see these lasting year after year, and you would be quite the hit on your street with these characters. this brings us to the end of the Shop With Me at Home Depot. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I hope this gives you some ideas of what's out there, what's available to use as decor. So once again, thank you so much for coming along with me. Thank you for watching, and like always, I hope to talk to you sooner than later. Bye everyone.